Yeah, I figured it was probably my phone. I appreciate your help with that. I've been listening to some of my recordings after the fact, and it drives me nuts too. So I apologize. I wasn't aware that it was possibly the iPhone doing it. All right, so I just got done watching Tom Dante's Periscope, and I agree. I believe he took a lot of the thunder out of what I was going to say today in regards to the whole matter. He did it rather succinctly in the Periscope. I was sincere about the entire event, and I still am for anyone else that really wants to do it and wants to do it properly. It's a little deflating, like I said on Twitter last night. I had a little bit of a rant last night, which stole thunder again from today. I guess the $1,000,000 question is did I really trade, and did I really do what I said I did and what I showed? And the answer is yes, it has. But my problem is this: if I show, and let me preface it by saying this: Tom asked for the complete 3-month trade statements, and I will supply that to you, Tom. I want that to be obviously judged, okay? But here's the conundrum I'm in. I have a strong, deep-rooted need, not just a desire. I have a need, okay, to basically leave my mark on the trading community, because number one, I've been very vocal about how good I think I am, and for the most part, outside from sharing some of the live session stuff we recently seen just this year, some of the live trades I recorded, some of the trade calls I've made over the last couple months in 2016. I think that by itself is not enough, and I agree with a lot of the scoffers that watch what I do and hear what I say and kind of like grandstand on the internet. And I do that to draw up an interest for someone to really come at me and challenge me, because it's not enough for the market anymore for me to be challenged. I've already overcome the fear and trepidation of losing money. I've encountered that just like any other trader. I've made a lot of money. I've lost a lot of money. I don't need to work, but the thrill of it all is gone. So what I try to do is I try to capture, or at least this is my thinking. I'm trying to capture that rush of really being fully immersed in what it is that I do, because I've come bored with it all. 20 plus years of doing this, it's the same thing. You probably, if you've worked your job for a long time, it's pretty much the same thing. It's mundane. It's monotonous, and you get bored with it. And you might be making very good money, doing that job, but it's routine now. So what I do is I go on the internet and I go on social media, and I whip up a lot of chaos sometimes, because that'll draw a crowd quicker than anything else. And because if I get out here and just start teaching buttercups and snow cones, nobody's going to really pay any attention to that. But if I show carnage, I put myself in a situation where it looks like I have no out, and folks like to see that kind of thing. It's like a train wreck. You really don't want to watch it, but it's hard to look away. My hope is, and my hope was with Adam, that he would treat it a little bit better than it was. And I'm not going to sit here and try to take the moral high road, because I could be easily judged in similar fashion. But